Hey friends, if you wish to fix the D3DX9 underscore 34.dll error on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to install DirectX. So how would you do that? Search for DirectX in the search bar and then click on download. Okay, and then click on download here for your language and then simply click on open and select the I accept the agreement next. Remove this option for the Bing bar next and let it install on your system. If this helps, well and good. If not, then try an SFC scan because basically the point is that a DLL file is missing and an SFC scan will check for all system files and replace them if required. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.